Hello guys, join me, let's eat. So this is what I'm having this afternoon. Agidi with okra soup, guys. So come and join me and let's eat this food together. Many people don't even know what they call agidi. This is made with corn flour. Made with corn flour. You turn it the way you turn starch, the way you turn your swallow, powder swallow. That is the way you used to turn it. So join me, let's eat together, guys. So this agidi is very big. I'm using spoon to eat it. If you like, you can use hand. You can use anything you like. So I'm using spoon. Come and join me, guys. Very yummy. Yeah. I would have put everything inside the soup. I don't know if I could finish it. I don't know if I could finish it. Hmm? Where do I look? Where am I? This is my rice. My video is you want to enter video. This is my cooking. You want to join me and eat? Drop your hand down. Yeah, open your mouth. Take. She don't want to eat. She wants just to do over sabi. Maybe she could eat fish.
No.
This food can sweet. Boy, patient, plenty patient. Patient, wait. Piace pesce. Very yum. Don't carry your spoon put for my eye. Your spoon, don't put it in my eye.
Okay.
My baby is telling you guys ciao. Patient.
Thank you.
Quello è pesce. Vuoi shake?
Thank you.
This is spaghetti. Vuoi spaghetti? Guys, come and join us. Take. Swallow it. You don't want to allow this food to enter my body, Abby? This is the last agidi I get. I have it.
Yay!
Not that I cannot finish everything.
Okay.
Oh, this agidi I will eat and later. You don't want to finish everything once. Take. Like it. Don't do face like it. What is it?
Just cast everything.
What is it? What is it? Before I start to eat, I wash my hands. Make a drink of water now. Oh, yeah, finish it. Finish it.